This is an unboxing and review of the 1x1 Lightning to USB cables. And let's go ahead and see what comes in the bag. And this should be the 3 feet length of the cables that comes in the 2-pack. First you get your receipt. And you also get, of course, the cables in this little box. Let's see if there's anything else. That's all. So of course it works in the iPod, iPhone, and iPad as long as they have the Lightning port. In the back you get the compatible devices. And this should be the Apple MFI certified version of the cables. Let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so I ordered the 2-pack, like I said before, and it should come in 2 different colors, in black and white. Let's see what else we get in the box. Okay, so inside the box, of course, we get the instructions and the warranty information. And that's it, the cables, of course. Let's go ahead and take a look. And as usual, they come branded with the 1x1 logo in the Lightning port. And just a USB icon in the other side. And this should be the 3 feet or 3.2 feet in length version, or 1 meter. And the exact same with the black one. And I got this ones on Amazon for about $15. Same logo and icon information in this ones. So as far as materials, they look pretty good. They look the same kind of materials as the original Apple cables come in. We'll check on the functionality in a few minutes. But that's about it for the unboxing. I'll be back with the functionality. Okay, and one thing that I forgot to show you before is that the cables, or the ending of the cables, come with this little plastic tape that protects the branding and endings of the cables. Then this side as well. But anyways, to test the functionality of the cables, I brought in my laptop. I also brought in my iPod Touch. This is the 5th generation iPod Touch. And I also brought my iPad mini as well. And of course the functionality of these cables, or how to use them, is extremely easy. Just plug it in one side. The Lightning port here. And the USB into your computer, and they should be ready to go. Of course, being Apple certified, they should be able to go. And they'll show up as connected right here in the computer. There you go. So fairly straightforward. Now you may ask yourself, what's so special about these cables? And just to show you why it's better to have the certified cables, I'll compare it with a different cable. Now here I have a different cable that I bought at Fry's, and electronics store, and this is a this cable is not certified by Apple, basically. So let's see how it works with a non-certified cable. So as you can see here, it gives you a message saying the cable or accessory is not certified and may not work reliably in the iPod. It will connect, but there's some functionality in the iPod that will not make it work correctly. Also, if you're trying to use a non-certified cable in your car, for the case that if your car has a USB port, it may not work correctly either. And it will be the same with the iPad mini. And just for fun, let's go ahead and try out the functionality with the black one with the iPad mini. And this cable will work always if your device or your portable device has a USB or sorry, a lightning port. So it does connect really quickly, as you can see here in the screen. It's already connected. So there's nothing much really to say about this product. It's just the cable, as you can see. But it's always good to have the Apple certification on the cables. It makes sure that everything works well and with all your devices. So I definitely, as a review, I definitely give this a 5 out of 5 stars. That's really what I needed. It's a really good price. It's $15 for 2 cables, and you can have one in your car. You can have one at home, and that way, in case you lose one, you can always have one as a backup, of course. So that's all for my review. Let me know if you have any questions about them, and have a great day. Bye bye.